Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the assembly of this universal joint, and we already have all the components. I'm gonna show you how to assemble them and how to limit the movement of these two parts so they only move like they are supposed to. Let's start. Let's open a new SolidWorks document. This time select here assembly, press OK. Now let's import the components we made in the last tutorials: base, connector, and the driver. Alright, let's make this plain white. And now let's make this connector stay fixed. So right click on it and select here fix. And in my case this one is fixed, so I am going to make it float. Alright, now select this face with this one. Select here concentric. And now select this one. And with control pressed, select this one, and this one. And select here width. Press OK. Alright, now select this other face with this one. Select here concentric. And now again we'll have to use width to select these other four faces. Press OK. Nice, now this is almost assembled, but we'll have to limit the movement because it's rotating like this. Okay, to do this we'll go up here to assembly, select from here mate. We'll go to advanced mate, and from here we're gonna use angle. We'll have to go to this arrow. First we'll go to the connector. Let's find a plane. For example, if we want to first mate this part, we need the top plane from the connector with the top plane from the base. Not top plane, the right plane. Alright, so if you select right plane from the base with the top plane from the connector, and then we go here on the left, we select angle, and here we'll have to put the maximum value. And until we'll find the right one, I think we'll have to go through some of them. First, let's try here with 50 degrees. And let's make it here 0. Let's see what's happening. So 50 was good on this side, I think. We'll have to put on the other side a little bit more. And now let's go back and change it. Right click and edit feature. Let's try to change here from 0 to -50 to see if it's working. And this is good in my case. If in your case it's not working, try to play with that angles there and you should get it in the end. Alright, now we'll have to do the same thing for this one. So let's find the planes first. We'll go again to mate. Go to advanced. Go here to angle. And this time will be from the connector. We'll have to find the plane that it's this one. The right plane this time with the right plane from the driver. Alright, let's see. Let's first change it here, the minimum value to -50. And this one to 50. Let's see if it's working. Press OK. Okay, so it seems that these are the right numbers. Actually, we can make them a little bit less since this is colliding with each other. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So we'll go to the first one. Let's limit the first one. Let's change it here to 40 degrees. And here also. It's also colliding a little bit, but it doesn't actually really matter. If you want, you can change to the other one also to 40 and it will be much better. This is the assembly. This is the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. If you like it, you can consider subscribing, liking and maybe leave a comment with your opinion.